Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok feature missing. So let's say some new feature got rolled out from TikTok, but your TikTok doesn't has it. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a way through which you can fix that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to go on your Play Store or App Store, and at the bottom you can see the search. Click on search, and on top you can see the search bar. Click on it and search for TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, if it says update over here instead of open, you gotta click on update to update your TikTok. But if it says open, that means the TikTok is up to date. So by updating your TikTok is going to be at the latest version, and all the new features provided by TikTok is going to be on your phone or on your TikTok, to be honest. All right, but sometimes TikTok rolls new feature on like a specific part of a country or just in some specific country. So let's say I live in India, and like the TikTok of America or like a feature on TikTok gets enrolled but only in America. All right, so if I'm not in America, I'm not gonna get that feature. So basically some new feature gets enrolled out but only some certain countries to test the new feature out. So if you're in that country, then only your TikTok is gonna get that new feature. So if you're only on that country where the feature is enrolled, then you can use it. But if you're in a country where that feature is not enrolled, then you're not gonna get that feature. All right, you have to wait for some time until TikTok decides to release that feature on your country as well. All right, so yeah, in that case the only thing you can do is wait. And the other thing is just delete your TikTok and reinstall it again. Sometimes basically deleting your TikTok and reinstalling should fix the problem. And basically sometimes some features are available in Android and not available in iOS, and some features are available in iOS and not available in Android. So let's say your friend is using Android and you're using iOS. So basically let's say a feature on your friend's Android is rolled out but you don't receive it because you're an iOS user. All right, so sometimes it happens as well. So you can't think of every feature which is available in Android to be available in iOS, and every feature which is available in iOS to be available in Android. All right, so you need to keep that in mind as well. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can fix your TikTok features missing. Just delete your TikTok, reinstall it, or update your TikTok. Otherwise, wait for some time until the feature is enrolled on your phone as well. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.